What's up nail friends? Today I'm going to be sharing with you this really pretty purple marble design, and the reason I picked this to do a video on is because it got reposted and shared so many times, and if you see this photo on Pinterest, it got 682,000 impressions, so clearly people like it. So I thought I would do just a quick tutorial showing you guys how I did the marble so that in case you want to recreate it or show your nail tech or whatever you want. So let's get started. So I decided to do this design in real time. So here I've already done an acrylic nail and finish filed it, and then I'm just applying a clear base. I don't normally apply base on an acrylic nail before applying gel polish, but I am using white and I find white a little bit finicky. So if I am using white, I always apply a base coat first. Now I'm coming in with a white gel polish. So this one is Ugly Duckling brand, but you can use any white you want. And I'm just applying 2 thin coats, and you want to give that full cures. I'm just using a white tile here. You can get these at any home store or from a friend. And I'm using FW176 from Jellyfit Australia for my purple. So now I'm just using Ugly Duckling striping brush, and I'm just putting a little bit of this on the brush. It doesn't really matter how much you apply because I'm going to be dulling this out with a small brush and some alcohol. You're going to want to dip your brush in some alcohol and then wipe off a little bit just so it's not oversaturated, or else it could spread too far and leak into the cuticle area and off the nail. And then you're just going to go over top of your lines and dull them out. And you can really just do it however you want. You can apply more or less. Here I'm just going over those lines that I made, and then I'm just messing them up a little bit. And then you're going to want to give this a cure. After that's been cured, here I'm just showing you that I'm dipping my striping brush into that polish and then wiping some of it off to just get a little bit on my brush. Then I'm pulling from one corner to the other, and I'm just creating some thin lines. The less polish on your brush, the better. You want these lines to be really thin. If you apply them too thick, you can always go back over them with some alcohol again and dull it out and retry. I like to go along my lines and then overlap them. It just gives the marble a little bit more of a realistic look. You can apply more where you want it thicker, like me at the bottom here. I wanted it to be a little bit thicker down there. And then if you make any mistakes like I did here, I decided I didn't like that extra line, you can just come in with the alcohol and wipe it up and fix it. Before curing this, I'm just fixing it up and adding the finishing touches, dulling some of that work just to make it more realistic looking, I guess. And then I give that a full cure, and then I'm coming in with a matte top coat. So here I'm using Ugly Duckling. This one is really nice. And I'm just covering the whole nail and then giving that a full cure. Then I'm just wiping off that tacky layer that's on that to reveal the nice matte top coat. And here is the finished design. Hope you guys like this little mini tutorial, and check back in a few days for some more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your nails long and your glitter strong.